Okay, we just lost power right here. Now we're getting it back on. Oh, I just love these thunders. They cut off our powers for a while. Okay, now we have street lights on. Okay, it's not so bad as it seemed a few minutes ago. Oh, this is not going away. I think this is gonna be the whole night actually. Oh, I just love this. I just love this beautiful blue light in the sky. Flashing there every now and then. Love to hear the thunder. This is just nice. Think we'll have more blackouts today. Oh God. Oh, this is so fabulous. Oh, it's so gay to say fabulous actually. What the fuck? This is just so fucking awesome. This is so awesome that I don't know what to say anymore. I'm in total awe right now. I love hearing the thunder. I just love singing this. Damn. I hope we would get a blackout right now. It seems like we're getting more precip right now. I think there's some cell trying to come over us right now. Yeah, this looks nice. Oh, little more, little more. We want more. Oh, damn. Actually, it wasn't a blackout, it was a brownout. Well, all the same anyway. Yeah. This is just so... I can't even find the words right now to describe this feeling. This is just so awesome. Oh God, it's raining straight to my camera, so I think I have to quit. Yeah, well, maybe back later.